Hi Trippers! Welcome back to my channel. So today, we're going to make a review. Actually, binili siya ni Mima for us. And this is the Berina hair color cream. So makikita natin ang difference kasi ang aking hair is super black. So titignan natin ang magiging kakalabasan. This is a product from Thailand. The color is A40 and Berina hair color cream. So this is, hindi natin mabasa. It's a light matte blonde color. Tingnan natin ang loob. So this is it. One tube. This is the hair color cream. And direction, hindi natin alam. Hindi mabasa. Pero tutulungan tayo ni Mima at saka ni Mrs. Blacksmith sa pag-color ng hair. And ito yung solution na i-mix mo dun sa hair color. What we're doing, kasi kanina naglagay tayo ng oil sa hair. So, we're making sure na ma-remove yung mga oil. So, i-wash muna natin siya before we start. Okay, ayan na. So, i-blow dry natin yung hair. Kailangan 8 to 5% kayo daw. Si Mrs. Blacksmith ang mag-a-apply ng ating hair. Hi! So what we're going to do, we're going to mix na our cream and the solution. Ay, nadagdag yan. So ito siya, dalawa. And this is light matte blonde color. So first, we're going to mix all. This is 9% channeler. Developer. Pa, ayan. Yan siya. And this is the hair color. So I need to put everything. We're going to sa top. Ganito siya, i-roll niya siya. Kahit napakahirap niyang gawin. Para lumabas lahat ng hair color. Ayan. This one, we're not going to bleach our hair para sa color.
Sit down, please.
Gawin niya puding is agaw extra na to my vlog. Sa first part ng cream is lighter. Sa dulo, it's like brownish color.
Na-expose na.
Ayan. Make sure it's fully mixed. So, makikita nyo na mix na siya. Fluffy na siya, para na siyang icing. Hindi siya masyadong mabaho. May smell pa rin siya, pero hindi ganun ka-strong. Okay, so we're going to start now with the help of Mrs. Blacksmith. I'm just covering my right ear because they have my ear pierced. And medyo fresh pa siya, so I have to cover it. Pero hindi na siya masakit like before.
Titignan muna natin after mga 5 hours.
Mga ilang minutes ang nito, ang babad.
Ano?
Ilang minutes ang babad.
Ito hindi ka agad. Dito ka naman sa likod.
Ayan, for Mrs. Blacksmith, what color did you have for your hair, Mrs. Blacksmith?
Light gray.
Light gray, and that is what color?
Light gray, highlights.
What color? Anong number?
A21.
A21. That's for light color gray. So we just have to leave it on for 1 hour. And it's almost 1 hour. We're using an improvise. Improvise, ano ba yan, wrap? Plastic na lang. For steam. Ayan na siya.
Ang ganda.
Look at that.
This is what I like for Berina hair color. Is really, really nice. At hindi sila ang buhok mo after.
Halaka, wala na.
Naka-brown ka na.
Brown siya na lalabas.
Brown na. Diba? Pero,
Ayan na.
parang chestnut brown siya, no? Na light, hindi masyadong brown.
So, pag pipili ka ng hair color, go for the lighter ones.
Especially when you're having 2 dark colors, you see,
Nagka-color na siya,
ilapit mo.
Yan.
Ayan. See.
Hindi nakukuha mo yung hair color.
Nakukuha mo yung hair ko.
Hair color, ayun nasa sabon. Ayan.
Ayan.
Sino sa tabi?
So, this is without bleach.
Sino sa tabi?
Oo,
It's
yun
really
yung
successful.
Ayun,
successful.
So, hintay pa natin.
Ayan.
Para siyang the result
for
is
the
gonna be a chestnut brown for her.
Light matte blonde
light matte
color. Okay, so nagbo-blow dry ako. Nakikisali rin si Doy na buting ayaw magpatalo. Ayan. Okay, trippers. This is it. It's brown.
Ang ganda.
Ayan, pag ano.
Ay,
Kita nga.
bongga.
Ayan siya, oh. See? Lighter color. Oo. So, the longer you keep it stay or let's stay it on, then mas lighter. Ayan na siya, kita na siya. So, I'll show you pag may araw, tsaka after few washes. Hi, trippers! So, this is the 5th day. Look at our hair color. Yan siya. Yan. Trippers. So, ito na yung color ng ating hair after multiple wash. So, I think this is the 8th day. So, ayan. Kitang-kita nyo siya. Ibang color. It's brown. Ayan. So, this is without bleaching. And this is the A40, which is the light matte blonde color. So, ang dami pang ibang color available for Berina. Meron ding A22, which is medium blonde color. And A23, bright red color. A3, which is red-brown color. So, I strongly suggest you go for a lighter one kasi hindi kayo mag-bleaching para mas kita yung kulay. So, that's about it, trippers, and please like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell, and thank you for watching. Bye!